I'm Dan, and I work at Pipe Wrench as an HVAC installer tech. What made me want to work at Pipe Wrench was I heard they have great people, great managers, and I've got friends that work here, so that's also a plus. I worked as a maintenance technician, and then I moved over to HVAC install, which is currently what I do now too. The main thing that I like about what I do is meeting the customers, and at the end of the day, making them happy is our #1 goal. And I like to see an end result, so as an installer, I like taking out old and putting in new and seeing how well it works. What I do outside of work, I like to hang out with my wife and my family. We like to go out to eat, watch sports together, and I also help my dad work outside of work too. So it's just a busy lifestyle.